How to add Stripe to Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add Stripe payment as a payment method into your Wix website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and boom, here we have, as you can see here, the specific dashboard of the websites. Select one of the websites that you want to integrate the Stripe for. Click on select and edit. Wait for a few seconds until the dashboard is going to be loading up like that, and here you have it. Now what we're going to do basically is going to be very simple. We're going to head over the left side of the screen or the website. We're going to find that it is going to be the dashboard. So from this control panel, we are going to scroll down a little bit until we are going to see settings. So the first method is going to be having the Stripe as a payment method, which is going to be the direct payment or the direct method. So on the finance and payments, which is going to be the first pivot of the setting, we're going to find accept payments. Click on it and here we have it. Now, depending on the region that you are going to find in or you're going to put into your Wix, it is going to be having an influence in the specific payment methods. For example, I'm going to type in France. We're going to find that it is going to be having Stripe available. But if, for example, you're going to type in the United States, for example, you're not going to find Stripe. And this is the case. So I'm going to be back in France, like that. Click choose. Boom, here we have it. Click on connect, and then we're going to put our Stripe account. Basically, you're going to connect it. So Stripe, as you know, it is going to be accepting all or the majority of the payment methods like Visa cards, MasterCards, American Express, GCB, and etc. Click on connect. It will take you to the Stripe, as you can see, partner page. You're going to put in here the email address. Click on submit, put your password, and then if your account is going to be set up, you're going to connect it right away. If not, you're going to need some more steps to do, like having the business email or the business addresses added, and it is going to be detected as connected. That was pretty much it. The second method is going to be consisting of adding the widget. You're going to have it from either Stripe or the Wix stores. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.